I'm doing the different table side. So let's get started. So add our pan. Okay, got this. Now let's get our vegetables. So I'll just go in the fridge. This one. And this. Oh, meat. Ooh, done. Okay. Okay, it's hard to see with these glasses. Okay. Okay, get our pan. Okay, stop pulling. Okay. Add this. I should get a bigger pan. Don't worry, magic sink. I forgot to get the water, so magic sink. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Bam! So, I think we're done. Okay, let's test it out. Hot. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, I forgot my... The only way, wait. Put back on. No! It's falling. Okay, thank you. It tastes great. Okay, bye.